up? It's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share all about achieving that radiant and glowy skin. I recently received Dalba's bestsellers and I'm so excited to try and share my honest thoughts with you guys and also tell you guys everything that you need to know about Dalba. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any beauty adventures. Let's get in. So there are 7 key things that you need to keep in mind, which is number 1 is the ingredients that they use and also the purpose and also the benefits that you get out of these ingredients. And number 2 is skin types and concerns. We all have different skin types. Like for me, I'm dry skin, but some people are oily or combination. So it's important to check which category the product is like targeting. And third is application, texture, and scent. Number 4 is packaging. And number 5 is results. Is it giving what it said it's gonna give me? And number 6 is price. There's a lot of times when skincare products are really overpriced, but you just need to see if it's worth the price. And number 7 is brand ethics and also scientific backing of all these ingredients and how it's gonna work. The first product I'm going to be reviewing is the White Truffle First Spray Serum. For ingredients, they use white truffles, which is 6 times more effective antioxidants than propolis. They use avocado oil, sunflower seed oil, and other plant-based oils. Its purpose is to give me instant moisture, elasticity, ultra hydration, anti-aging, and most importantly, all-in-one care for all serum, mist, and setting spray. And this could be used before, during, and after makeup. And that is so clutch for me because my skin gets really dry in the evening, especially in the winter times. So I really hope this is helpful. And I do want to mention that this mist is US Amazon's #1 face mist. And they sold over 30 million mists. I think that's kind of crazy. And a lot of makeup artists, celebrities, and influencers use these. And a little background story, the first time I heard about Dalba was through a K-pop celebrity. The skin type for this is combination, so everybody could use it. And if you see on the top, there's the oil, so I need to mix that first. Shake it for me. It's all shaken now. 오, 냄새 너무 좋다. 일단은 the scent is a scent I really like. I think skincare product scent is really important because when people are like near you, they could smell it too. And I'm all about smelling good, so thank you for smelling good. And the way it sprays, let's see. I don't know if you guys can see it. So when I sprayed it from here, it literally went all the way here. So it's pretty strong. And the most of it was like kind of landing here, but it spread really nicely, really thinly, and like balanced and evened out. And how many times did I spray? Like 6, 7 times, I think. Honestly, when I sprayed it, I couldn't really feel too much, but when I was like dabbing it and when I touch it right now, I could tell that there's moisture because before it was like super dry. And even in my hands, like I could feel the oil. I used to think mists shouldn't have oil, but it makes so much sense that it needs to lock in that moisture because all the mist that I had before was just like watery based. And it would not last. It would moisturize my face for like maybe 15-30 seconds and then it would be gone. I like the texture it's giving me. It's not too like boom oily, but it's like 뽀도독 oily. Okay, and let me talk about the packaging. It is plastic. And for the colors and font, I really like it. It looks very like elegant, classy, and expensive vibes. The packaging is pretty simple but informative at the same time. And in the back, it does say being vegan certified by V-Label and also mentions that it went through safety test. This mist is $32 on Amazon and is 100 milliliter. So I think this is gonna last me a long time. It's giving what it's promised. 근데 like this smell, I'm really biased guys, but the scent is like 너무 내가 좋아하는 스타일. I'm definitely gonna be using that like every day. Next, I'm going to use the White Truffle Double Layer Revitalizing Serum. I love how this fits in my hand right now. It's like, it's kind of cute. For ingredients, this has white truffle, hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, and okra extract. For benefits, they say no oily residue, intense elasticity care, soothing vitality, anti-aging, abundant nutrient, and healthy glow. And they claim this to be a 2-in-1 solution. So they like the 2-in-1, 3-in-1 kind of vibe, huh? And this one is also a combination because they use all natural ingredients so that it is suitable for all skin types with minimal irritations. Okay, time to mix up. Ah, this is so cute. It almost looks like a nail polish, like a huge nail polish. Shake it off, shake it off. At this point, I feel like I could sing like all the songs that have like shaken. 어머, 색깔 너무 예쁘다. 오잉? It's very watery. 아, 이것도 냄새 너무 좋다. I love the smell of this one too. I feel like I don't need a separate perfume for this because it smells pretty strong and nice, and it has a perfume smell. It is a pretty like light texture, but it is definitely heavier than the mist because it contains more oil for sure. So I could feel it on my skin. It's pretty oily and you could see the glow going on in my face. And personally, I'm not too much of a fan of oil in general. That's why I only use like gel type moisturizers and like serums. But this scent is like letting me forget everything. But like I promised, it is giving me that healthy glow. And it feels very tangy right now too. And I could feel that the serum went through every single fine lines and balanced evenly throughout my skin. Like me touching it like this, I'm not a fan. But the way I feel on my face, I like it. My dryness problem solved. Period. Like any of their products, this is also vegan certified and dermatologically tested. For the packaging, this one is glass. And I guess it makes sense that serum is put in a glass and mist is put into a plastic bottle. But it is a matte glass, which I'm not too much of a fan of. Like it's really pretty to look at, but because this serum is oily, when I touch, like the bottle also becomes very like clear and shiny. So right now, like parts of the bottle is like shiny and parts of it it's like matte. But glass definitely gives that more elegant and like rich vibe. So this bottle looks like really expensive, but it is $25 on Amazon. 30 milliliter. It's pretty small. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but you don't need to pump too much of it. So I guess it kind of makes sense. It's like perfect to like show off my nails, but have like no nails done. And last but not least, I got the white truffle serum and cream. The ingredients are aqua serum, white truffle, tocopherol, ceramide, centella asiatica extract, and panthenol. The intense cream has white truffle, tocopherol, and collagen extract, rose extract, and avocado oil. The benefit of this is that it is a self-customized skincare treatment. So it's basically like 2-in-1. So they say it's convenient, light and soothing, and elasticity care. For skin type, it is for all skin type. It's not even combination, it's just for everybody because you could like make your own. So for dry skin, you would mix a ratio of 1 serum and 2 cream. And for combination, it will be 1 serum, 1 cream. And for oily skin, it is 2 serum and 1 cream. The packaging is really cool. It's divided in 2. That's cute. This is clever. Because I'm a dry skin, I'm gonna put 1 serum and 2 cream. I think I kind of put a lot, but okay, maybe I'll put it. I think that's the ratio. 1 and 2 cream. Bam. Okay, from here, I'm just gonna mix. Boom. Oh my god, I think I made a perfect amount. And then blend it out. I think I mixed a perfect ratio. It's sitting on my skin like super well. And even the amount. For application, it was pretty easy to use, but I guess it'll take a little bit more time because like you need to like find the right ratio and then like mix it and then put it. But I guess you could like skip ways and just like put it all here and just like boom, like that. But I do prefer like jelly type of moisturizer, but those do give like less of a moisture than actual like thick moisturizers. So I feel like this is like right in between them. So I'm really vibing. And for scent, unlike the other ones, it is a little bit more toned down, but it's still in the similar category for scent wise. For results, it is giving what it said, and I really like the concept because basically in this like one product, I have like 3 different moisturizers. I could create my own depending on the day, depending on the season, because winter I would want a little bit more thicker. For price, this is $56 on Amazon. And like the other ones, this is also vegan and dermatologically tested. That's really hard to say. Dermatologically. But overall, what do you guys think? Is it giving? I think it is. I get really happy how this turned out, not gonna lie. Like, I have a pretty high standard for skincare products because I've used so many different brands, but this one, like, I get why it is really popular. It's not bestseller for like no reason. And I'm seriously so excited to add all of these into my skin routine. Alright beauties, that is a wrap. I hope you guys find this video helpful and informative. And if you guys ever used Dalba, let me know in the comment section down below and how your experience was like. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.